This is my boy Jordan. Tell us about your whip.
What up, y'all? This is my 2006 Subaru Outback. You know, got some 20-inch EBS rims on there.
Yes, you know, yeah, park perfectly.
Yep. And then we got the tints.
You know, yeah,
20% all around, 35% the front. But you know, when it's all put together, the darkness looks good. Then I got a little exhaust. You know, I just had them cut the pipes, get rid of the resonators, attach those, you know, custom tips. So it came out good.
Okay. What we doing today, yo? Walk us through. We're doing a bumper.
Headlight. Shout out to my boy Leandre. Left baby right, you know. We got an accident.
Yeah, he can't drive. And he was at fault.
Dude ran a stop sign. So, about to get this done. Definitely take care of that fender right there.
Yep. Because I'm the parts master. They don't call me that for no reason.
But that mean get money. Give a fuck about your money. Being broke ain't funny. I'm a product of my mother. Give a fuck about you. I'll run the streets up just like these hustlers do. Fair, no one did crimes that I mentioned over time. Working harder than these fake struggling bums on my line. Getting an education, so I know I'll be alright. Money chasing dreams and night. It's hard to sleep at night. I ain't fucking with the odds.
Come on, man. Do the finishing touch. Close the hood and show us how happy you are. Man, brand new refreshed front end. Oh yeah. Look at that. Good, gaps are close. Headlights. Body lines flow. Oh, I forgot headlights. Got buffed.
Look good, man.
My dude's happy, yo. Go ahead and take that enjoyment drive. We'll be back here. Yo, my boy said he got the Infinity Killer. That's the what?
It's the Infant Killer, man. While I'm burning the split.
Yeah. Finally, my boys give me a ride in the 2JZ S14. I never got a ride. Run into that brick wall at the end of the street.
Yeah. We're gonna have to give these people space.
Just drift around this corner, yo. What do you mean? Give them space. Uh-oh.
We'll give them some space.
Said that thing made like 300, yo.
It does.
Bro, that's not 300, yo. That's like 450.
No, that is not.
Bro, that's like almost 4. I know my butt dyno, yo.
You're a butt dyno? How many cars do you butt dyno?
Yo, my boy F30 felt like this. He's not no 300.
Race that side?
Yo, race him. Get his ass. Brakes must be real good. You just stopped mad late. Okay. That's what the CTSV brakes do for you. Yeah.
I lost like so much ass.
You're on F. I mean, you're on E.
I was on the line. I was in quarters.
Bro, that was like
when I took him, like the
2
once I
gallons.
was leaving the house, like your house, it was on a quarter. And when I came back, it was a half. And now I took you, and now it's like at 8. It's going back up though. I think it's like the
the float, the leveler or whatever.
gas is just